I wanted to share with you 5 of my favorite painting items when I'm painting interior. Number 1, an awesome painter's caulking. This, cut it at a 45-degree angle, and then when you're painting along trim, you also want to drag it 45-degree angle. Number 2, an awesome angled brush. These come in all different sizes. This one's about a 2-inch, which is awesome for most of my projects. Next item, painter's pad. These awesome little guys, they have wheels. They've got a little guide on the side, so you can use them for painting along the top. You can also use them for painting a trim. I also use this. I don't like painter's tape. I don't like all the mess. I don't like wasting so much. And so I simply put this down. I then run this along the base, and bang, you're done. This is one of my favorite. It's for plastering. I use it for a lot of other things, and quite often I use it as a guide with my painting and my a roller. Good quality roller. You can also get extensions. You can take the handle off of your broom, your mop, add it to this to get to the top of the walls. And what I love doing, use this to go right along the very, very edge. And so it gives you like a 4-inch line. So then that way you can easily run your roller right up to that, and you don't have to worry about touching the ceiling because you aren't getting that close. And then my last item, painter's tray. Simple, easy. And you want a good quality also. I kind of like plastic because then my latex paints, they peel right off. If they wash out easily, if I let it dry overnight, I know that it will absolutely rinse out easily. So there's all my favorite items. All of these can come from any kind of a hardware store. And once again, if you have questions about DIY, about buying a property for investment on Whidbey Island, of buying a house that you want to live in here, or buying land and building, I've got a lot of great contractors that I know really well, and builders. So buzz me. You can go to my website, move to Whidbey, for more information. And as always, have an awesome day.